Hey folks, day 2. We're here at Maui. Happy Monday. What's good, folks? This is my man Jing. It's his birthday today.
Happy birthday to me.
Yeah!
Hello everyone! So we are staying at the Kalua Resort and I'm going to show you guys how the lodging or the layout of our condo looks like. So we're staying at the lower level condos, and as soon as you go down the stairs, you come in. There is a master bedroom with a king size bed and 2 bunk beds, and then there's a living area, a patio, dining, and a kitchen. There's also another master bedroom in there with a queen size bed with an ensuite bathroom. The other master also has its own ensuite bathroom, washer and dryer. And our backyard is a golf course. First stop for today is Dragon's Teeth. It's actually located in Kalua Resort.
Bro. Alright guys.
Wasak pa eh.
Spent 1 hour. 1 hour and 30 gallons of gas. Just for that side.
So we're at the Blowhole. It was quite a steep hike from up there to down here. It's actually, I want to say 10 minutes, give or take, if it wasn't rocky. But there's a lot of boulders, a lot of big rocks, so, and it's slippery, so wear some sensible shoes. We're only wearing slippers, so we definitely were not ready or prepared for it. All right. So we're now trying to drone this area. This was hard work, so we're gonna drone here. Maui, please be good to my drone, please. Maui. that the drive and the hike was a lot longer than we had thought it was going to be. And then on to the next, where we're going to be birthday boy. How's your birthday going so far?
It's good.
And it's not over yet! Alright, we're almost close to the Luau location. It was about an hour drive from our lodging, and well, everyone else is sleeping, just knocked out from the morning's activity. This is ube bread, and this is mango butter.
Pork, just like this,
okay. Sweet potato with coconut glaze.
Then you swim out into
mahi
the deep
mahi
water,
fish, fruit
because the
salsa,
second
cream
part of
sauce,
the lure is
stir fry veggies,
So as you're
teriyaki
swimming
beef,
out,
huli huli chicken.
find a
So
shark.
huli huli means
Or
to
if that
turn.
shark
So
finds
it's like
you, you
rotisserie
drop your big
chicken.
hook down.
This is the
Shark will
foil.
come along and bite
So
you.
like
Now
the
it's a
taro
tug of
roll,
war. Tug of war until
made
you
out
get
of
the shark up to
the
the
taro root,
surface.
yeah.
and club the shark.
It's just water
Now we
to
take the shark back
the
to our
taro
village
root combined.
because it's divided
So you
amongst
just
everybody.
kind of mash
The
on the
tail
root
of the
until
shark.
you get this.
That goes to the high spooky cheeks.
Very healthy
The juicy
babies
section
for
here,
Hawaiian
that goes
families.
to
They
the
feed the
village,
babies
the head of the
this.
shark. That
Okay,
goes
so
to
just
the
like
fisherman that
little
caught it.
babies, they'll eat
Does anybody
anything,
wanna try
including
it?
this. We got the lomi lomi
Don't
salmon,
worry, we have
tomatoes,
easy
brown
methods to
onions,
catch
green
shark.
onions,
And we'll
salmon.
start off by using
So
this.
for some people, it's
We
either
call
gonna
this
be
himaki.
salty or
It's a
spicy.
Hawaiian fish trap. So we'll make about 10 to
Rice
20
and a
of them.
pork with
And at the
this
bottom of all
combined,
those
combined
traps,
it,
we'll put a
it's
bunch
perfect
of baby
combination.
fish.
Okay,
Then
so
we'll
this
take
is the
these
next
traps out
course,
to the ocean, set it out there
and
during the day.
I brought the extra
And at sunset,
poke.
sharks in the area, they'll come and eat that food every day. So they get well trained. And when we're ready to catch the sharks, we're gonna take this. We call this ipu heke. It's a hollowed out board. At the bottom of this hollowed board, we're gonna stuff it with a bunch of fish. At the top.
So my favorite so far has been the poke. The fish is really fresh, and the mixture was really well balanced. And now we're eating our main course. The Kalua Pork is alright. It's not as strongly seasoned, but well seasoned or seasoned enough. And then they have steak The shape, it's almost like in a teriyaki sauce. Parang ganun. Or it has a sweet flavor to it. It could have been a little bit more tender, but it's a luau. And then there's koi. Koi doesn't really have any flavor to it anyway to begin with. So as koi goes, it's fine. And then there's
Dinner cruise or
mahi mahi. I'm sweating, so my glasses keeps slipping off.
Ate. Dinner cruise or luau?
Dinner cruise. My brother just asked me which one do I like, the dinner cruise or this one. The dinner cruise was, man, such a challenge. The mahi mahi is pretty moist. Sure. Last one.
That's all sweet.
There's sweetened taro.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm back like I promised.
It's almost like
I
condensed
brought my
milk
friend.
drizzle.
Boy, we call the coconut needle. Everybody
Yeah.
say needle. Alright, so we're gonna husk it open, crack it, squeeze it,
And,
make some coconut milk.
taro
You guys
itself.
ready for that?
Very, not very,
The
but
first
sweet.
step in making
I like it.
coconut milk.
Really like it.
You want to find a ripe coconut.
All right, the show is starting. It's already sunset, so it is hitting my face in such a lovely shade. So before the main show begins, I'm going to try 3 out of the 5 desserts that was served for us. The first one is the pineapple upside down cake. Very coconutty. It's almost like a coconut cake. Yeah. And it's a bit dry. Sure. Now, the coconut cake. It's not as coconutty, just right. And it is actually moist, I want to say. And the last one is the guava cake. It's
Ladies and gentlemen,
not sure. I don't know how to describe this one.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our show will be starting.
It's a little sour, a lot sweet, just a hint.
So this was coffee.
Me.
Was it coffee for
yes. And I got coffee.
you? Okay.
Thank you.
And the brown sugar or white sugar?
Brown.
And then
Thank
cream.
you. Yes, please. Just one. Thank you. Right. Thank you. Yes, the guava is a lot sweet, a hint of sourness.
Yes.
Out of the three, I actually like the coconut cake. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Oh my gosh. nice luau. Although it was a little different in that they were not allowing videos, and they didn't, or the cast didn't take pictures with members of the audience.
The drink was good. The
So
drink.
strong. It was
Drink
strong.
was good.
Oh my gosh. This is the Te Ao Moana at the Marriott. The setting was fantastic because the backdrop was the sunset. The food, I want to say, also a little different because it wasn't buffet, but it's probably because of COVID times. But it was better than what I remember luau food to be, in fairness. And the drinks, really strong. So if you want strong luau drinks, it is here. So, birthday brother, how did you like the luau?
I like it a lot.
I wish it used to be that they asked the birthday people to go on stage, right? It used to be like that.
Yeah, I requested a lap dance,
they
but
ask?
you know, they denied my request. So.
Oh yeah?
I think it's because of, again, COVID times.
No
But-
lap dance because it's COVID. No lap
Thank
dance.
you, COVID.
Oh, man.
But they did ask all the birthdays and the anniversaries and all the couples to stay within their group to dance and just be greeted. Home now, and we have a pretty big adventure planned starting early tomorrow morning. So this is a good place in time to end this vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and feel free to comment below. So from my mind's eye to yours, definitely more to come. Thanks for watching. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ruth. Happy birthday to you. Come here, Sean. Hooray!